exercise number 1.1 first main problems. In this third problem, the cost of the digging a well after every meter of digging, when it costs rupees 50 for the first meter and rises by rupees 50 for each subsequent meter. So here we have to take this for find out the terms of the arithmetic progression. Here we have to take this is the first meter cost. So that one is taken as A1. A1 is equal to of rupees 150. And then for each meters, so it is rises by rupees 50. So that can be taken as, that is D, that is taken as the 50. So now we have to take on the first, that is the general form of the arithmetic progression. The general form of the arithmetic progression is, that is first term is A and the second term is A plus D and the third term is A plus 2D and the fourth term is A plus 3D and so on. So now we have to substitute the values here. So for first term we have to substitute, that is 150, and for the second time we have to take A as 150 plus D as rupees 50, and then for the third term we have to take 150 plus 2 into, that is the value of D is of 50, and for the fourth term we have to take, that is 150 plus 3 into, that is D, that is of 50, and so on. So now simplify this one. The first time you get as 150, and here 150 plus 50, that you get, that is rupees 200, and here 50 into 2, that gives you 100. 100 plus 150, that you get the third term as rupees 250. Here 50 into 3, 150 rupees. 150 plus 150, you get 300, and so on. Here for this problem, these are the terms of the arithmetic progression. So now we have to find out the difference between these terms. So we have to find out the difference of the first two terms, that is 200 minus 150. Here we have to subtract the first term by the second term, so that gives you, that is rupees 50. Then we have to find out the difference between the third term and the second term. 250 minus 200, so that gives you rupees 50. And also we have to find out the difference of the fourth term and the third term. 300 minus 250, that gives you also 50. Here all the differences are constant, that means the terms are in AP. We say that the terms are in AP. Okay, thank you students. We know how to solve the fourth problem. The amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at the compound interest at 8% per annum. Here they given the compound interest. The formula for finding the compound interest, the amount A is equal to, we have to write the formula that P into 1 plus R divided by 100 to the power of n. So this is the formula for finding the compound interest. So now they given that the principal amount P here, that is equal to, that is of 10,000, and the rate of interest R is equal to, that is of 8%, and here we have to get the number of years here, that is n is equal to first year for 1, second year for 2, that is here we have to take an n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on for finding the interest of the per each year. So now we have to take, that is the first term A1 is equal to 10,000, because the amount in the bank is first term, that is taken as the A1. So now we have to find out the second term A2. For finding the A2, we have to substitute the values for this compound interest formula. Here we have to substitute the P is of 10,000 and 1 plus the R is of 8% divided by 100 whole to the power of, for first year we have to write 1 at the power, that is the value of n is 1. Now we have to simplify this one, that gives you 10,000 into 108 divided by 100. So after simplifying this, you get the value of rupees 10,800 rupees. This is the amount in the at the end of the first year we get. So then for finding the third term, that is A3, we have to take the simplify this one by taking the formula, that is A is equal to P into 1 plus R divided by 100. Here we have to take, that is 1 plus 8 divided by 100 to the power of. Here we have to take the second year. At the end of the second year, we have to find out the amount there. So therefore, that is equal to 10,000 into 108 divided by 100 into 108 divided by 100, because it is power is 2, we have to multiply this in 2 times. So by simplifying this one, we have to get the total amount is of rupees 11,664 at the end of the second year. So here you observe the first term is of 10,000 and the second term is of 10,800 and the third term is of, that is 11,664 and so on. So these are the terms of the arithmetic progression in this problem. Now we have to find out the difference of the terms by subtracting the second term, by subtracting the first term by the second term, you get the difference is of, that is rupees 800, and then you have to find the difference of the third term and the second term, 11,664 minus 10,800. So here you get the difference is, that is of 864. Here you observe the differences are not constant. Therefore, these are not the terms of the AP. So these are, we write, these are not the terms of, that is AP, that is arithmetic progression. So this is the solution of the problem. Thank you students. We have to meet you in the next video. So for getting the continuous video, you have to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.